The Nissan GT-R is a supercar powered by more than horsepower. It's driven by electronics.
Every angle feels engineered, not styled. Twin turbos deliver explosive power on demand.
One press, and the system comes alive. The GT-R thinks before it attacks. ATTESA E-TS constantly shifts power where traction is needed.
Electronics turn chaos into clean acceleration.
The dual-clutch gearbox keeps momentum unbroken.
Power arrives precisely when the chassis can use it. Stability control works in the background, quietly saving seconds.
Sensors translate motion into real-time decisions.
The GT-R calculates grip while you chase the apex.
Braking becomes a controlled event, not a gamble. Air is shaped to stabilize speed.
Technology meets the urban pulse.
The cockpit is a command center.
Electronics amplify good driving.
Built for roads, proven on circuits.
Speed begins with preparation. Power delivered with ruthless efficiency.
The GT-R rewards discipline.
Power distribution shapes the line.
Grip becomes acceleration.
The numbers prove the engineering.
Heat is controlled so performance stays consistent. When conditions change, the electronics adapt instantly. Even sliding can be measured and managed. Performance is built in code and circuitry.
Precision is a mindset, not a feature list.
A monster that can behave.
Supercar capability with daily usability.
Electronics keep the car composed on imperfect roads.
Stopping power becomes a weapon. The system finds grip faster than you can.
Feedback turns driving into a controlled experiment.
It earned its nickname by humiliating expectations.
Night amplifies speed and focus.
The fastest laps are found in analysis.
Consistency is the true sign of control.
In the GT-R, electronics aren't assistants. They're the weapon that makes speed repeatable.
Real performance includes discipline.
Response feels direct because the chassis is always prepared.
Grip is managed mechanically and electronically, together. Monitoring keeps performance reliable. Air management protects power. The surge is controlled, not chaotic.
Electronics read the surface before you feel it.
Trust grows when the machine is predictable.
A legend built by results, not hype.
Everything exists for the mission. Speed with control.
The signature sound, boost, and precision.
Repeatable speed is the GT-R's true advantage.
Code and mechanics moving as one system.
Grip feels unnatural because it's engineered.
Electronics support the balance at the edge.
Evolution guided by performance goals.
Worldwide respect earned through lap times.
The bond is built through trust and control. When the systems sleep, the legend remains. A supercar that belongs to the streets. Usable performance, not fragile perfection. Electronics help manage imperfect surfaces.
Improvement begins with honesty.
Balance is the secret behind speed.
It can be calm, until you ask for more.
Settings transform personality instantly.
Everything happens at once, perfectly synchronized.
Three letters that mean controlled violence.
Respect is earned when numbers speak.
Fast is easy when systems are smarter. One machine, two worlds.
Built on technology that still feels ahead of its time. Confidence is the real performance upgrade. Speed looks different when the day ends.
The machine cools, the data remains.
Legends are engineered, not imagined.
The presence is unmistakable. Performance built on intelligence will always evolve.
The fastest car is the one that repeats perfection.
Nissan GT-R, Japan's supercar, made legendary by advanced electronics.